Shalom, shalom, shalom. Ututoma, Eyoma, Abanoma. Because help on to Sanozia. Our Anambra Liberation Prophet, Prophet David Yahweh Kadibia. This message is going to our brother concerning what my governor said. I'm here to tell you that Anambra is a Christian state. It's God's own state. Because we all accepted Christianity before anything. Our fathers accepted Christianity. So, if Soludo said that Anambra is a God-owned country, it's right. And I'm here to warn all those people that rant on Facebook. I heard that Enugu State now, and there's one national protest. Enugu State now have also give mandatory that I chosen do kit. Please, boss Admozia. Eweilo, you're not doing Igbo menana. Because when you talk about Omenana, and maybe Alamaya Saba buri Igbo menana. Etu okite si buri Igbo menana ka Nmiri esi buri Igbo menana. Can you come and define to us how Mama water take to become Igbo menana? Because in a way, not at the map, the whole world now confusing them mad. Because you're a serpent. And all of you, Mathias, are not doing no man. You in a church of Satan. Meaning, what you're doing is Mama water worship, satanic worship, which every time you see me doing spiritual work and trying to deliver people, nobody know to Nzuzo, nobody know to Nmiri, nobody na Samari, nobody na Chibu. So say up all those things. Stop planting. Before you come and train in a woman and you buzo, make you go to Samari. It's a Mayanaka. They will tell history in the Igbo. Abakawala and Eweilo in a way we know a woman and I can worship Nmiri. Nmiri worship is a religion. They are not part of Igbo tradition. The same way you better Rose is your part of Igbo tradition. Or Igbo menana. Ordinary diche. You worship Nmiri diche. Ndi Igbo nwere only one God, Chukwu Kadibia. Any other one is counterfeit. Adama aka. Ndi Igbo nwere only one Chineke, Chukwu. That's why my governor Soludo has this thing that Anambra is God-owned country. We are Israel. This is why people like Mazidibia telling you that we are not for Israel. So you can be worshiping Ekwensu, you can be worshiping Arose, you can be worshiping Samari. You can see the Ezewai that is ranting, praying for Ekwensu to go and kill Soludo, Ekwensu to go and destroy Soludo. When Soludo arrests you now, you will say Soludo is wicked. Can you do that to Lagos State government? All those things you are ranting. Both Ife, the one small Mathias boy, you are ranting. Can you go and do it to your state? Enugu State governor, can you do that to him? Because I'm on Anambra say, just a talk. As Ndi Igbo na Lagos bịa kwuo okwu si na ga-akpọta ndị IPOP to come and protect property Ndi Igbo. How many of you that came out to challenge Lagos State government? Please share the telecast, drop your comment. No, if it's right for you to insult government that came with the mandate of David Yahweh to save Ndi Igbo. Like me, I am the one that saved Ndi Igbo from all those things. Remember that I've been fighting this battle. I'm the first prophet in Igbo land that came out and stood that fought about all those useless Eweilo, Akwa, Ezobi, name them, Onyeze Jesus and Mazidibia, who are so name them all Mathias Isaac. These are people are not doing Igbo tradition. We're gonna stop all those nonsense. You don't want Igbo. Governor Soludo is not against Igbo tradition. It's against Aru ba for Buro Menana. Masamario, Mokito. Marusio, Yerin Abu Aruba for Buru Menana. Do you remember that in Gene? Ngige, when it was ruling Anambra State, because of the killings. It's not started today. Because of the killings. Many years ago, I got an Bono, chufu everybody ba woru katapila butu we bulldozer butu say Aruso Okija. Mba has if you go to Aruso Okija, you will die. Was Aruso Okija, was it Igbo tradition? Look at all those nonsense. No sentiment attached. Anambra is a Christian what? State. Prove it. Mathias, you're a Christian. You just converted to Church of Satan. You're not even doing Igbo tradition. Milo, you are a Christian. You're born as a Christian. For Roman Catholic. You just converted to Omenana because of 419. Because of if there's no money coming out from that summary and the 419 of Facebook, it will not be there shouting summary. And you that claiming that pastor is fake, we have your videos where you say you're doing duty for pastors. Milo, you show us a motto that pastor gave you. How can you claim you are fixing Omenana Igbo and then our word pastor? But I keep as well. Oyekote, Oliseburu. Don't say I did not want you people. When I want Akwa, people will talk. I can say, if we shoot you spiritual, if we don't work, we shoot you physical. Now, who is shooting each other? I am Anambra Liberation Prophet. What I want to tell you now is this. Basa knows here. My number is this: 0903-222-6076. Make sure this message go everywhere. To San knows here. Know that Nmiri aburu Omenana Igbo. Nmiri ba ogbanje egbuge a lot of people. I see Omenana Igbo. Then a comment section. Abonis na Nmiri bụ Omenana Igbo. Ke maka Nmiri ndị Lagos. Ke maka Nmiri ndị India. Ke maka Ibrahim Igbo. Nmiri ka nkobro sofu. We have different gods. And akpọ ha gods. Agbara many agbara. They are foreign angels. They are not Chukwu. They are not our God. We have only one true God, supremacy, Chukwu. So if Soludo say Anambra is a God-owned state, you better challenge with your summary because it's 419. Who told you that in a woman? You're not doing the Igbo tradition. What you're doing, you're promoting your Nmiri. You're promoting your Arusi. You're promoting your Abara. We saw you many places going to Arusi Chebegu. Prove that you are an idol worshiper. I grow like this. I never see my father bow down to idol. My father is a traditional man. We don't have idol in our family. But we have community idol, which are part of what I destroy it. Gente. Because in the Bible, Hana like noise. You don't do research to know the truth. The truth remains that Ndi Igbo adefe Nmiri. Ndi Igbo adefe Arusi. Ndi Igbo enwere chi ọzọ. So one true God. We are the Chukwu. We are not Samari. We are not Habagro. Even Habagro is more powerful than Samari. Just that people that go in there thinking it's light. Let me tell you. When the problem will start, okay, when Nmiri will start giving you problem, let me Allah. Your sister, your children can talk. When you talk about imbecile, when you talk about children that they will become abnormal, they will act like snake. Is when you dedicated yourself to marine kingdoms. Because nothing comes from Satan that can give you peace. And what if that can give you peace? I'm here to tell you the truth. Anytime you see me going to water to pray, I'm going to destroy the people that already converted to Momoe water, that already converted to witchcraft, that already converted to Arusi. So when you talk about Omenana Igbo, remove Church of Satan Mathias, remove Eweilo, this thing, nonsense, summary, remove Mazriba Arusi. Tell us about Igbo Omenana. It is nothing concerned Igbo Omenana with Nmiri or Arusi. Arusi be far from to go and fight war or the call. They bury people alive to form Arusi to go for war. Don't worry, I'm going to be bringing teaching in my page. If I'm not followed Igbo Dr. Chukadiba, follow it. Follow the page. God bless you. Please, kindly share this telecast. Share this program to save Ndi Igbo from idol worshippers in the name of Omenana. Aga m efe chi ndị ahụ ejighị aka mee chi ndị ahụ ejiri aka. I will never worship man-made God from idol worshippers. Idol is idol. Whether Mama Water, whether Arosio, they are all idol worshippers. So you don't come and confuse us because you feel you have follower, because you feel you can talk, because you feel you have scam people. Okite and the Samari, they are the same thing. Remember, Akwa Oko, the only thing that Akwa Oko leave his own marine, went to join our court. That's why it's like that. Oh, yeah, the name of Alose Nmiri Akwa Oko Wancha is a woman. The name of Nmiri, what do you call it? Eweilo, Borogeni Sabari. I don't know the same thing, woman. If you go to Anambra State, they have many deities, Nmiri, not one. If somebody is not even wanted of the main goddess in Anambra State. What you want to talk about goddess? Let him come out. No, come and tell me that Nmiri Samarika Habago. Come and tell me that Nmiri Samarika of family Mulel. It's not. So the problem is that Akwa Koko, these are young people, they promoted and projected their idol. So the thing became popular by manipulating, by using social medias and this thing. We know these things. See, if they have, we don't have power, let him take a challenge. Keganga. I've challenged me a lot. See, let me tell you, anything I tell you, I can never lie to you. This is what I've been fighting to 70 by the billion from occultic kingdom, from marine kingdoms. When I tell you, Queen of Heaven is the one in Kenny when I because is the in charge after God, is Queen of Heaven. So if you're worshiping marine kingdom, your suffer is too much because you can move before you can deliver yourself. That's what my father worship. My father doesn't have idol. He worship Queen of Heaven. So I know what you're talking about. Well, how many people are watching my water now? But that's not God. My father is an agriculture. Was born as an agriculture. But you also have women water. So that women water now. You're a Christian. So you cannot deny that you're not a Christian. You just converted into marine kingdom. That is not even God. You're not even telling me about Chuku like the one I'm saying now. If you're not presenting to us Chuku, Nime one is Chuku, about Chuku, you never that thing. Chuku is Chuku, one true God. And that Chuku have rules and regulation. That Chuku is against idol worship. That Chuku is against evil. That Chuku is a God of wisdom. That is God of Israel. That Chuku say on Saturday is the day that he give the people to worship. Thank God, can I ask you, can you prove to us 10 million naira? Can you prove to us 10 million naira na somebody's Igbo tradition? 10 million naira. It don't run. Yeah, come to the page. We can, if you want us to come to debate, I will come out with you. Come and prove to us that Namame water is Igbo tradition. Come and prove to us. Eganga. Forget this all those me the rant too. Because reason I won't get it. Mind what you teach to people before you have problem. You're promoting your ROC in them to encounter the true God of Israel. Who born you? No, you came to the page, you could have stayed now. I'm a Chuku Kadibia, Okaramo, only by the court to finish clear. Willow watching, good, you're watching. Willow, do you in any way know that Mame water is not Igbo tradition? Give us the history how Mame water become Igbo tradition. Omen and Adich and I watch it from 1 minute. Omen and Adich and I own a mecase. Omen and Adich and Okite. Only woman and every 1 minute got half of your children will become imbeciles. This is what I know. You're tourism people in covenant of Marine Kingdom. You're making money. You're happy. The more money now back. You're taking people to set Akwa. This is what I told Akwa before. In our born cha. Remember that in our western Akwa pastors all. They got better person die war all. Camera talk when I war higher. Let me tell you, I don't speak what I don't know. No native doctor in Anambra can. Me, 1 million cannot stand me. I'll crash you to zero. You know you have tried me before. I'm saying this more. A million, you 1 million cannot stand me. I will destroy you. To pick a date and pick a vein. Come and prove to us. I'm 1 million women and Igbo. In Accusations, God punish you. You know what Soludo. Do you know Igbo tradition? In Igbo tradition, have name 1 million. What you're doing? Idol worshiper. Share the telecast. I saw you in a government idol. You know if you believe in one. We have the video. How did the ROC become Igbo Menana? He will call them Osu. We meet it. It's still existing in some villages. That is not God, but that is a spirit of war. I have a spirit in Enugu State. That in Enugu State, Ezeago and the Benebe, Hanazana. So when I came to Enugu State, the more so later I begin to do deliverance. I have the video. The more I begin to manifest. So I saying that now, why they are poor in Enugu State? Why they are poor? Because they forget the covenant they entered. Because yeah, now anytime you forget to do that covenant or somebody, you suffer. Let me tell you, nothing will spare you. Only what will save you is when you stand and worship one true God. Only what will save you. Let me make it clear. Anambra State is God's own country. And each one could have God. Let him be Christian. We know that there's a fake Christian, but what name are we going to use? All of us are Christians. Can I guys know about Christian before? All those reasons as why are you not Christian before? Most of your name is Christian name. We don't name this name where the answer now never reached 4 years. It never reached 10 years. 2015, 16, when he started answering the meaning will. We say but away by 419. Was it your name? Tell us your real name. But go and bring your passport. Let us see the name that is there. Whatever passport, if you don't have a Christian name there. Mathias is still answering Christian name. You're talking nonsense. All of you that are talking about Christianity, show me one of you that doesn't have baptizing in the Christianity. That means you're a frave. I'm not saying 100%. I'm not supporting what the Roman Catholic people is doing. But when it comes to the original, the covenant of Ndibo, which is Sabbath. Sabbath are covenant of Ndibo. We are the Israelites. Sabbath is ordained by God. That's why, because that's the Bible, Torah. If you want to go to the history, if you say we are not from Israel, where are you from? Show us your history, where you come from. We have Umreli. We have Agreli. We have history proving that this is where we are from. And you're saying we are not from there. Then where are we from? Why are we doing the same thing with other people? Why are we doing the same thing with the people of Israel? Almost the same similar thing that is in the Bible. They are small, but they are richest in the world. The same thing with Igbo. Even if they kill Igbo, take all their team and give them $1. Today they are the richest in Nigeria. Not gonna leave all those things. Share the telecast. We come to debunk all the lies of Eweilo, Mathias. Mathias will have warned you. Don't say I did not warn you. If you keep on inciting war in Anambra State, I will give you rest. Carry that your useless womenana. Go to your village. Go to Enugu State. I am not against Enugu State people, but I'm against you coming to destroy Anambra State because you cannot do this evil in Enugu State. If the Nagara have their own religion, you begin to fight them. Can you do it to Muslim? They will come and burn you alive. Can you do it to other people? Even if I did not agree on whatever thing Roman Catholic do or Ebukobi do, when the member came to me, I still pray for them. I heal more than thousands of them. That I do not agree with Ebukobi doesn't mean if I see my brother that will have problem because now has from Zion, and say I will not pray for them or I will not help them. No. You come to Anambra State, we contribute money for you, you open NGO, call all of themselves, including me, paid money into that account. Go and print the statement. Because we thought when I came to Anambra State, that was 2016, 17, 18, when you opened that thing. The thing there, I was in my village. So my mother said, hey, no one they say, okay, how that account number? I said, I was thinking on the when I made the thing because it's not in Lagos. I don't know about it. I came to Anambra State, I begin to hear all of them say, I didn't even know fake. I don't know so fake. Mathias behind this man collecting the people money. I didn't know that it's Mathias only. So somewhere come and prove to us that you're not a thief. Bring the statement. How much is inside? How much remain? Eweilo hotel. Which Eweilo hospital? Which hospital you do? You went to rent one room. One room. Say no. Even 2 rooms and the paros. No, Eweilo hotel. Well, just when you buy the land, bring the paper that you used to build the hotel. No, we tell show us the paper that where you buy the land and the build. You went to rent a room. So Nmiri yama. Ne mo menana. You went to rent a hall. Isi mo menana na village on build menana. Run no BJ mo menana. Ije na hall on a challenge 3 or 200,000. Now if I ask him on the medicine in a woman, can you prove it? Can you prove that this is what you're doing? All those nonsense you're doing is women. It against no kai, you it against tight, you pay not tight. It against money, you open all of it and why you're the way, hey, pastors are criminal. Pastor, all of you are the thief are criminals. Hey, pastors are criminal, prophets are criminal, hey, reverend father are criminal. You are criminal. You are the main criminal because your criminal is always looking for criminal. How do you get rich if you're not a criminal? That's the why I begging for money yesterday. You became rich. How do you get rich? 8200 times abafa. 81 million abafa. 8300 abafa. In abafa 20,000. Afa ya abafa 2 naira. 2,000. Hey, 200 naira. In a abafa 20,000 naira. Mugana ziba for 20,000 naira. All like a pastor now, somebody was talking to me. I collect 20. If I collect 20,000 times, millions of people that are praying. You know how many million? I only collect money for Salaka. If you say you want me to do spiritual something for you, that is different thing. It's a Salaka. It's a Salaka. God is in the Bible. God said, give to poor, feed the prisoners, which I started 2006. I gave out 10 bosses. Go and ask question. When I was short 7 bullets. You're telling us, Soludo, Soludo again, not nonsense. Because Soludo are born on get it. Do you know Menana? You don't know Menana. What you're doing, I do watch you. What you call it? My master bell, all of you all. I do watch you. Come and tell us how many water take become Igbo Menana. God punish you that cannot. Show us how. Say, shut up, you're a native. What is native doctor? If you come here, native doctor, I'm even better than my idol worshippers. Because native doctor, when I warrior, more than a warrior. I'm a try John more, I'm a maybe ogu. Animal, want and now more. Can your native doctor do it? Can any of your useless native doctor do it? No. So, what is that? Oh, doctor, being native doctor, you're supposed to be in a warrior. Abo ina agwa ayo wundo mmadụ abo ina ezuohi abo ina asị mmadụ awochi ibu osamari abo ina asị mmadụ awochi ibu mmiri abo ina asị mmadụ awochi ibu arụsị. No, I never told you to worship another god except one true God. Ichukwu okuke, God of Abraham, Isaac and Jacob. I never carry anybody's go to one place to begin to sacrifice to any idol. If anybody have the proof, come out. I've healed millions of people nationwide, all over the whole world. HIV healed, cancer healed, different sickness healed, people raised to death. Kenneth Chukwuba there. Oh no, maybe than Igbo. In a minute, in a marose. You're talking about Akwa, you hide your own. Let us come out and prove it. Everybody should prove themselves. Leave all those things. And I work and I agree. And what the fake pastor close his church, and what the fake related doctor close his church, and what the mommy water close their church. Mommy water is evil. Mommy water is evil. Me and you know, 10 years ago, you cannot be proud to worship Mommy water. So how come now you are brainwashed people? They believe Mommy water can give you money. They believe, yes, we know Mommy water can give money. It's in the Bible. The Bible calls it God of Mama. God of Mama. But when the problem will come, what is all this nonsense? You are doing evil. You will come out and be claiming righteous. You are worse than about Mathias says, you are worse than Onyeze Jesus. You have destroyed a lot of people. What about all the fake drugs that killing people? We know about many people that die in Mathias LGO. After the people contributed million for you, he said, in Akwa, if they go to hospital, they die. Did you bring them back to life? Do you really find the money back? No. Remember that Christianity are the one that own hospital. Christianity are the one that have that church Sunday. Mathias, you have no anyone. You're not doing, going back to a village. You're supposed to go and take us to Ebagala omenana eke ori afọ nkwe gba anyị ụbọchị ji eme omenana gị ada ụbọchị eke ụbọchị oye ụbọchị afọ ụbọchị so ị gaghị na-eme every go and check onye na-emebe omenana ha na-enwe the particular day ha ji eme their thing. Sunday because Christians have made that day. You're using that day to be making money. Thieves. As long as you're doing Sunday, Mathias, you're a criminal. Because Christianity is owner of the Sunday. Saturday is owner. People that own Saturday is Sabbath. People that own Sunday is Christian. Create your own omenana day. That is what you do. Don't come here and confuse us. If everyone is a fool, I am not. I am the Supremo. Supremo means the most authority and the most activity and the most supreme. Go and check the meaning. Activities. Knowledge is not gotten by education. Knowledge comes by God. Wisdom. Solomon asked for wisdom. If you don't believe, you believe tomorrow. Why you begin to cry for mama water? Okay, now, you said there's nothing like a witchcraft. Who are you going to tell that? Africa will know as the people that have power. Africa, the first people that came to, the first missionary that came to Africa, all of them died. That's why they went back to go and bring something that look like idols. When they find out that no one did for us, and those who they have more power, they came back, came with Mary and Jesus. They now told them that Arab Brago and Nmiri, this is our people have no God. And some people had decided to be worshiping Mama Water long time ago. So Mama Water not start today. Mama Water senior you, million widows, senior your father, senior many people, doesn't mean it's God. This is idol worship. And any idol worship is not part of Igbo Menana. Because Igbo people, we are the children of... Since people started nonsense of Menana, it's when there's so much kidnapping, so much evil. People are lost. No man in F. And no man F man, no man now when he had. Anambra turned to a war zone where people die every day. Anybody who can defend them, what I see, is through Igbo worship, 10 million naira. Anybody who can defend it, come out. Come and defend him, what I tell because Igbo men are chuba on ayara. And I tell who know no tradition. Do you know what have you know? The 2 decades they built in Agrek was built by my brother. Go and ask them, Jameson. I told him that this is not the way. He later died. They said I should come and take the building that worth over how many million. Then the money shit, I didn't take it. So if I'm not coming here, I'm not going to see my back. Before I begin to talk like this, do you know how many more I want me to serve them? If I see this Samari, I can come to Nmiri and collect that Samari, I begin to work for me. I can take that Samari from this, they made that millionaire from that Samari. If it's not okay, let all go and sign. I will come and take that Samari. I will prove it to you. I am the spiritual warlord. I see demons. I've killed over 300,000 demons. Kenneth, be very careful. Kenneth, be very careful. I am far better than you that are deceiving people into my own kingdom. You can come here and about Chuku Kadibia. So I can remove your evils. Prove to us that, yeah, look at what I say, you're evil. Tell us, prove to us that Mama Water is Igbo tradition. You're a content creator. Okay, the one that we do is not content creator. The one that people are doing, deceiving our people, are you not content creator? You're all thieves. No, Chuku get buchono. Chuku get buchono. For putting my people into my kingdom worship. In book of Exodus 20, verse 1, thou shalt have no other God before me. You won't get Chukun. I will let you go as a more. Whether I call it Samario, whether I call it Mancha, whether I call it Agumpo, whether I call it anything be like, call it the useless gods. God who cannot talk when we are talking. He has powers. Oh yeah, disappear now, disappear. No, Akwa Okona is in prison, disappear, cannot disappear. I will make a hit. Nkato wiki. Udele yasi na gri baza alasaga la chago. Na, you will all go 4 days. Oh yeah, you will not fall. But breaking news. My governor have said that when you need doctor get miss, ya miss ye. Why Akwa can never miss? Why AK hit never miss from prison? Why Onyeze Jesus na Moka? Let me tell you, Onyeze Jesus, he only have problem because of greed. Reason Onyeze Jesus to the Akwa because of greed, the things of this world. I warned him. He said, David, Yahweh, if you come my name again, I will do this. You do what? You do nothing. I'm only trying to save you. I saw this coming. So, Mazidibia and Nmiri will never rant. Don't say I did not want you. Because if you come knock, if you don't sent to war, we'll come and bring it. Let us, as you want to pursue evil Christianity, you have to first of all to pursue that Mame Water worship, because it's not part of our culture. Mame Water is not part of our culture. So when you speak against Jesus, fake, you speak against fake God like Mame Water. Samari, you're a fake God. Can you prove that it is part of Igbo Benal? Is there any way our forefather told you that today I worship Nmiri? They have one, they recognize one Chuku, which is the superior. There are many other Chuku. Any reason why that will come and talk nonsense, Chuku. Can any reason why come and prove to us that Mame Water is Igbo tradition? Do you know the meaning of Mame Water? Do you know the implication that your covenant to Marine Kingdom? You can have money. What about the destruction that follows it? What about beside? What about the spirit will kill their husband? What about, do you know what you do now about Mame Water? Can you give us the history of Ezewai? Do you know the man of Ezewai is not supposed to marry? You know, so any true Ezewai is not supposed to marry. Woman man not supposed to cram you before you can say you Ezewai. Because then you have become a goddess. You don't know of Ezewai. Ezewai is a secret. In village, when came one Ezewai the oracle. Ezewai the case of Dibia. You know, on Facebook, no book goes in a someone book about. Come on, guys, sit down. 10 million nana, come and prove to us that Mame Water be Igbo nana. God bless. Please share this telecast. I still remain Prophet Yahweh, the Anambra liberation prophet, who destroyed the power of Okite, destroyed the power of Mame Water. Call here to 7 Igbo. I am the one. I came with Agune Chamber, Agune Chibo 2025. Akwa Nama Baron Fimone clear. Share the telecast. God bless my governor Soludo. Embrace and natural Anambra. See what is happening in Anambra State now. Under 1 month. I came back 2025, January 4th. And I made a problem. When I went to pray in Agrek, I saw that they tied everywhere. I came to dismantle all their powers. And I pray for my governor today. What is happening? Anybody who did not like what Soludo is doing, either you're a kidnapper, you are a occultic man, you are a ritualist, because you don't want them to locate what you're doing. You have been killing people. You are the people that are kidnapping people in Anambra State. Anybody that's against this revelation that Soludo brought, he said, I'm jealous. The same way he said, we are jealous in Akwa. Where is Akwa today? No, don't worry. Keep ranting. When we find out, when governor will come for you, he will tell us how you make all those money. Go about first person name 1 million. Do you make kidnappers send their own ego? Do you make drugs send their own ego? Then I bet you make ego. You're praying for Yahoo boys and the kidnappers. In a 1 million. Who told you that 1 million support all those things? These are evil, satanic. Because no genuine dibia can be rich under 1 or 2 months. Why will you be so rich? You're helping kidnappers, you're helping bloggers, you're helping Yahoo, which is Yahoo now. All of them have turned to kidnappers. 8% of people they hold that kidnapping people in Anambra State. They are all collecting juju for native doctor. Who is doing it for them? Don't worry, keep ranting. Keep ranting. Okay, root everybody. My prayer is this resolution will reach every evil person. Both anything like, be a pastor, be a prophet, be a Lutheran father, be a Ezewai. It will reach everybody. I will come where government go say, preach everybody account. When they find out that a kidnapper paid you money, you go in for it. And who jealous for you? People are making money, praying for kidnappers, praying for, he praying for evil people. That way can come out and defend. They want to come and do protest. Why useless Ezewai in Enugu? Now Enugu have talked, said they don't want to okay. Why not go do protest for Enugu? Why not do protest for Enugu? People like Mathias boy, what did they call that boy? Ifed. It came out, they talk to my governor. They call my governor cook. Chuka about work very soon. Chuka one type in our yara. These are not saying Mathias is training people. These are about Mathias boy. Because you follow your guy, like father, like son. You saw by cook governor, there. Can you go and tell your governor that is a cook? And I'm going to Anambra State. We not say you should not come to Anambra State. Don't come and destroy our state for us. Take that nonsense to your village. Take it to your village. If not, so police will come and carry you. Try it.